Wally had this to say about Shenny with the Carter story.
You think me feel good for know that the people in Empire, where them build, tear down just to this, it never did a.
This is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones. More of the people them just tune in right now. Like and subscribe on them channel. Seeing this is a brand new release from
tear down. It never did have to tear down. Me neither go help tear down. So there and then when me try to do what me probably go wrong, I try to see if me can help fix the situation. When me analyze what happened with him, me say Cmr, this a girl too when me say fee headspace there, I get here for to the way look like say alright, him come now, and from him attack, say you carry him from somewhere, make him come here. Based on how me analyze up the girl, me now go say to myself, say alright, I pay, you have to go pay if you put this a girl because me get to find out say she have green card. All I know where they run the sort of, this girl do not want a job. You know, here the man say she did forget Texas. She did forget Texas, I want work where somebody want help her. But she turned from that, she turned to Florida direction. Why? Because I no work this look like a man money. So she no want work. From she come down to Florida, how much work you get and walk off of the work? How much work you get and walk off of the work because you no want work? You understand? So leading up now, when me find out now, because me decide say it's not my decision to tear down Crissy and Cmr Empire, because me never would have want if it tear down. Me hope to God, and we hope to God it can fix, but with fans and una all of this, and the vlogger them and how to do with it, probably it can't fix, but anyway, a man wrong in wrong. Me now cheat with somebody who is on Crissy level or better. How much a few man a cheat with somebody? Me say una act, una not being realistic. Una not being realistic. Una go like I say everybody will cheat and cheat and do the right thing. No cheat no good. No cheat no good. None at all. None it never good. So whether this somebody up to our level or not, it should have happened in the first place. Whether what happened, it just should have happened. It just should have happened. And like me said, the only guilty thing me guilty of, after me here, me never say anything. And I didn't say anything, reason being, I was not going to be the one to try to tear down the people them empire. Be realistic, no man. How much I want the empire take people man to man? How much I want the empire know they ever take somebody man yet? How much I want the empire say ever take somebody man and people man are calling no babes from husband to boyfriend from come down? It will allow with no wicked self and make it look worse and worse. Oh, Jesus Christ, in call our babes, in call our babes. Because I first man never cheat. Uno now go get that out of me. I hated what he did, but at the same time, me uno now go get that out of me. Because all our talk cheat already or get cheat pan already. Come try feel like you want to show me all of the buzz. Oh, yes, Wally didn't know. Remember at the end of the day where you try to say, you know, I'm sorry for you why you reach my garage. So you
Keeping up with Shenny and Cmr.
What do you mean? And I like say, alright, me know of her and Cmr into a relationship and me no say nothing about it. When me hear it is a relationship or whatever, fuck game or whatever, we pass. So me not understand you. How the hell you mean now? It's me taking up. If you feel where you want me to come say, what you want me to come and say, me still alive, where you calling a detail out and a detail out, not a fuck no do you. Not a hurt, not do you, not a no. You ending up just take the man, and you ending up just sit down and watch the man and the woman every day. And ending up just bad mind the people in life and decide so you want to tear it down. And that's all me see about it. That's all me see about it.
It is said that the things Shenny said on the live is actually true.
Me sorry for the individual when me I look at and now pre the fact say alright, I still Cmr and Crissy that over there so that reach me. You understand? Because I'm sorry for this person when me I see now, homeless, you're too suke. So right now me I look at him and I say, Jesus Christ. You understand? So you sit down there like I can't mash hands. You sit down there but he lie. Hey, in a way my talk say Wally upon the live them, me not tell no portion of lie, you know. So me now say what she come out and really attack and no lie she are telling about behind the scene.
Is that
come
so,
off of the
Shani?
people in YouTube channel. You don't come off of the people in YouTube channel. So you sit down and you watch the people and watch the people and watch the people so till you overall just hate them and then life. Bad mind for see no say man love woman despite in cheat with you. Whatever the case may be. Till you would stop until you would stop so till you come out and say it. And then like you come out and say, okay, Cmr cheat with Crissy for me. Yeah, detailed out and a detail. So you not look no help. All me try to know why your goal, what you really want at the end of this. What because when you come sit down for everybody live and say, yes, in tell me this and yes, in the send me the voice note here and yes, in the give me the bank card. When all of that is done and all of that talk out and said and done, what are the end result? Alright, if you mash up the people in yard, me wish you could mash you up.
Wally with a message to the world.
4,800 and uno de paya if uno speak, if wish to speak the truth. Uno can't say never keep, no man never go on bonnet. Uno can't say no man never go on bonnet. So if there and then now, so what you think different, yes, so? It all the things say, alright, Crissy and Cmr is a public figure, so you know, say, he wicked because he out in a public and he wicked and you have to more, can hold your own and hold your firm as a man and woman if you are going to go out there in the public like that. But other than that, I know nothing where the whole of uno now face every day. How much of uno where they know what about wicked, uno now go through one problem with man. Talk to me. Stop walk around and do it. Me not take up the Cmr fuckery. But uno the followers are fan. Top gal like uno no get born too. Top gal like uno never have no man we fuck pa uno too. It all a women fuck pa already. So there and then all of this are oh my God. And then you know me hate the people and we say Cmr must not like in children them. So the whole of uno pick the poopa we fuck pa and the whole of uno no like food no pick them. The whole of food no pick the poopa them we fuck pa uno no like food no pick them. Uno come on and stop blow things out of proportion. Come the fuck on and stop blow things out of proportion. Oh my God, Cmr of 3 girls. 3 months to fuck somehow the baby father. All of we blood clot baby daddy.
While it was not a
What
prank,
British about this and exactly what I was trying to do. Me that try to push you away. Every time when me not meet a little bit. And when you try to tell me, say, oh, I miss the guy. When me say to you them the time there, me say, Mama, you have to take your mind off of this. Have I ever entertained you trying to be with Cmr? Me ever entertained that yet? Me ever entertain that or me look pan ya, me sorry for you. Couple people there, me yard the day I see me, sorry for me because a girl sit down like a poor thing, pitney like a can't mash hands. 2 weeks from now when them a viral are done, on a following TikTok and see what I go on there so. To see if it's a person this was so innocent and somebody take advantage of. 2 weeks from now when this is done, on to follow her up on TikTok and see if this is a person will look like say, alright, a true advantage taker me why me do this. And a true advantage taker you make you do this. And look, you sit down and I watch the 2 people them every day. You sit down and I watch the people them every day and get obsessed with their life. And that's why some of them man we have to know. Some of the time we have to mind, we have to keep. Because some of the woman, you know, they interested in her eat, they eat to no woman.